For the next technology, I chose the Simpleshow video maker. And I actually got the idea for this during one of our discussion boards for this class on creativity. One of the other students in my class used this, and I really liked the aesthetics of it as well as the voiceover mechanism that this free software has. So for this technology, again, you're creating your own presentation. You can upload a PowerPoint or write your own script. Um, and so we'll just do an example one. Um, and so what I was thinking I would use this software for was basically to create um, a presentation that I could have going on during parent teacher conferences. So that's coming up in the next couple weeks for our district. And I was really hoping to use video software like this so that I can show my parents while they're waiting while I'm with another student's family the different projects their child would be doing in my classroom later that year. So like I said, I really appreciated the voiceover of um, this technology provides. So there can be a short little explanation with pictures and words to go along with those projects. Um, so that's how I would use this technology. It could also be used with other presentations, but I thought it would, because it has that voiceover technology, would be very good for when I personally am not there to talk to the parents. So for this technology, I aligned it with two different ISTE standards. The first one is 3.2D, which is to communicate effectively with stakeholders to gather input on the plan, celebrate successes, and engage in continuous improvement cycle, which this would help me do. The stakeholders, of course, being the parents of my students. And then standard 3.3C, which is to inspire a culture of innovation and collaboration that allows the time and space to explore and experiment with digital tools, which I think this one also allows me to do.